Cancer, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 1 to 15. So let's see what's coming to you first half ng December. So if you want a private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Energies coming to you, Cancer, December 1 to 15, 2024. All that glitters. I feel like meron kayong matutuklasan na parang something na like katotohanan sa isang bagay na akala mo yun pero hindi pala yun. Oo, kasi hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. So this can be someone sa buhay mo na akala mo mayaman siya, akala mo maganda yung nangyayari sa buhay niya pero hindi naman pala. Ganon. Milk and honey. Wow. So there's abundance, blessings, good things happening to you ngayong first half ng December. Rainbow, it symbolizes hope, new beginnings, okay? So, kung nanggaling kayo sa challenges ng mga nakaraan, especially when it comes to your resources, yung finances ninyo, so, things are changing for you ngayong first half ng December. And I think, hindi ka na magre-resist sa mga nagbabago sa buhay mo. You will go with the flow. Okay? Kumbaga, hayaan mo kung saan ka dadalhin ng tadhana. Kung saan ka i-redirect. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagkaroon ng bad decisions when it comes to your money, when it comes to your career, your job. So, ngayon, you want na ngayong nalaman mo na kung ano yung lesson na yon and that you have learned from it, kumbaga sinusurrender mo na kung ano at saan ka dadalhin ng tadhana. Okay, let's see what else. Ace of Pentacles, diba, new beginnings, new opportunities when it comes to money. Parang meron kang matutuklasan na source of income na hindi mo aakalain na magbibigay pala ng riches, kayamanan sa'yo. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, diba? Puro Pentacles kayo. The Emperor, wow, you are very powerful ngayong first half ng December. Three of Cups. So, there's also a major celebration sa inyo. I see reunion. May mga, pwedeng kayo ay mag-a-attend sa mga gatherings, mga dating dating katrabaho, or mga kaibigan nyo na matagal nyo na hindi nakikita. You will be connecting with them. These are meaningful events These are meaningful gatherings. Kumbaga masasabi mo na, buti na lang nagkita-kita kami. Buti na lang nakapag-catch up kami sa isa't isa. Oo. Kasi you will feel good about it. Parang nakakagaan sa kalooban na makita mo yung dati mong kaklase, dati mong kaibigan na although nandyan sa social media, but iba pa rin yung presence na physically nagkikita kayo, like in person. You have the Emperor, so you are in your power. Some of you, kung meron kayong negosyo, maganda ang takbo ng inyong negosyo. There is stability in your business, in your projects, trabaho mo, pwede rin, no? Some of you, pwedeng you will help. Meron kang tutulungan na kaibigan, kamag-anak, or kung sino man to na nangangailangan ng tulong mo financial, no, financial or resources. Halimbawa, hihiram ng sasakyan sa'yo kasi gagamitin niya for a special event. Or hihiram ng pera kasi meron siyang kailangang pagkagastusan. Things like that. So, syempre pag tayo ay tumutulong sa iba, bumabalik, there's a good karma that comes with it. 'Di ba? So, the more na marami kang matutulungan, the better. And you are going to start a new project, pwedeng bagong trabaho, bagong business, na magbibigay sa iyo ng stability in the long run. Okay? Yan, very confident ka, oh. I also see someone sending you good news. Oo. You are also, yung iba sa inyo mag-aaral. Meron kayong, pwedeng ito ay literal, mag-enroll ka or sariling sikap, no? Yung tipong you will do your own research, self-study. So, within a few weeks, meron daw situation na mag-unfold or made-develop. So, I feel like ito yung mga nasimulan mo related sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. And meron ka rin, some of you are also setting boundaries, no? If you feel na parang kailangan mong may pigilan na isang sitwasyon, pipigilan mo. Some of you, maaring merong person from the past, can be a romantic connection na magbabalik. So, ngayon, dito mo na marirealize if you want this person to come back sa buhay mo or not. Okay? Parang siya, finality na, okay, hindi na pala. Ayaw na pala. Ganon. So, sa money, career, finances, 3 of Pentacles, pwedeng meron ditong collaboration, working with others, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo itong pagsasama-sama or reunion with friends or classmates. Pwedeng may mabuo na business opportunity. Okay? You have the 8 of Pentacles. Pagdating sa trabaho, kung may ina-applyan ka, maaring ngayong first half ng December, makapagsimula ka na, makapag-sign ka na ng contract mo. Oo, this is going to be fast-paced, no? Kumbaga mabilis sa mga pangyayari. Na nag-apply ka, halimbawa nag-apply ka 3 days ago, tapos makaka-receive ka ng message, and then kinabukasan, start ka na ng training. Ganon. And kung kayo naman ay merong kausap for a business or project, mabilis lang siyang maayos, mabilis lang siyang masisimulan. Okay? So, sa love life, 9 of Swords, 9 of Cups, parang meron ditong naglalaban na feelings kasi pwedeng itong person na babalik sa buhay mo, you really want this person to come back. Gusto mo talaga. Kaya lang alam mo na itong person na to ay nagbigay ng stress sa buhay mo. So, syempre, kapag pinabalik mo yan, may chance na babalik din yung stress na na-experience mo sa taong yan. Kaya parang ka rin, half-hearted, hindi ka makapag-decide. Although some of you are in the process of healing, so pwedeng napatawad mo na, pero hindi porket napatawad na, pwede nang pabalikin, di ba? Pwede rin kasing maging closed chapter na yan. So, it's your decision. Ayan. Show the world the real you. Magpapakatotoo ka sa iyong gusto, sa iyong kakayanan. This is authenticity. No? You're going to be more authentic. Step up and lead. So, some of you merong leadership role na mag-unfold ngayong first half ng December. Pwedeng ito ay business opportunities, Pwede rin itong bagong trabaho or career na i-offer sa'yo or mag-open para sa'yo. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. Yes. So, I feel like you are going to be passionate sa mga gagawin mo ngayong first half ng December. Whatever this is, career man yan, relationships, projects, you will own it. You will have the power and the control over it. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.